Hello, in today's post, we will learn about how to sign up for the Bybit exchange and the step-by-step process for KYC identity verification in an easy and detailed manner. Both mobile and PC signups are possible, so please follow along without distinction. Here is the table of contents. Access the first registration link. You can receive a commission and a maximum discount of 20% by accessing the link below. Second, enter your registration information. Please ensure that your email, address, password, and referral code are 57245. Assembling the puzzle. You just need to slide to fit the pieces of the puzzle. You just need to enter the 6-digit code sent to your email. To install the Bybit app, go to the Play Store or App Store and install the Bybit app. There is a link below to complete KYC verification. Click on the profile icon here and press Verify. Please select a country and click Confirm. Choose the identification you want: driver's license, resident registration card, or passport, and then click Confirm. Continue. And an account that has already completed KYC cannot do it again. You must be over 18 years old. Take a photo of the front of your ID and a photo of your face, and you can check if it has been verified. By clicking on Profile, we have learned how to easily sign up for Bybit and complete the KYC verification. Thank you.